Scientists in Russia have successfully revived a zombie worm that had been frozen for 24,000 years. According to a study published in the scientific journal, the microscopic organism is a rotifer, which is a small, multicellular animal commonly found in freshwater environments that is known for its unusual durability. The rotifer had been frozen deep within Siberian permafrost since the late Pleistocene, which was considered to be the final epoch of the Ice Age, ending roughly 11,700 years ago. Scientists believe the Yadoma Formation, an ice-rich, organic-laden permafrost formed during the Ice Age, helped sustain the specimen in a stable, frozen state for tens of thousands of years. When researchers carefully thawed out the rotifer under strictly controlled laboratory conditions, they were left stunned when the rotifer resumed normal biological functions. And more shockingly, it was able to reproduce again asexually, indicating that its cellular structures remained intact after tens of thousands of years on ice. The discovery is the hardest proof that multicellular animals could withstand tens of thousands of years in cryptobiosis, the state of almost completely arrested metabolism. In cryptobiosis, the metabolic activity in organisms slows to almost nothing, allowing certain life forms to endure extreme conditions such as freezing temperatures, dehydration, and oxygen deprivation. While single-celled life forms or simpler structures have been revived from ice before, the revival of a multicellular organism marks a major breakthrough for scientists, as more complex life forms face greater challenges surviving freezing conditions and thawing without damage. Despite their microscopic size, rotifers have complex biological features, including digestive systems and simple nervous structures, making their ability to survive long-term freezing especially remarkable. Scientists believe the results may have a broader scientific impact, particularly in understanding how cells resist damage caused by freezing and radiation over time. The discovery, the second in recent years after Russian scientists uncovered Arctic zombie worms in 2021, could also shape research in fields like biotechnology and astrobiology, where scientists study how life might endure in extreme or even extraterrestrial environments. However, scientists caution that the findings do not suggest that larger organisms, such as mammals, could be revived after similar periods of freezing. Higher life forms are far more complex than microscopic organisms, making them far more susceptible to drastic cellular damage during the freezing and thawing processes. Still, the study pushes the known limits of life on Earth, raising new questions about how long organisms can remain viable under the right conditions and potentially reshaping how scientists think about survival in extreme environments.